Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is a motorcycle channel and I'm coming at this from a motor vlogger's perspective. As a freelance photographer, my place has always been behind the camera, never in front of it. I was never one for the spotlight. Fast forward to 2019, I started riding motorcycles again and I wanted to record my experience and then possibly put them up on YouTube for people like me who have just started riding again, so they can see how it is, how the process is, and probably give them some tips and some help. So I spent the first 2 years of my motor vlogging career hiding behind my helmet. And as my channel started to grow and I got out a little more, then I spent even more time then hiding behind my COVID mask. So eventually I started feeling more and more comfortable in front of the camera and I started showing more of my face and more of myself. Yeah, this face. I know, right? This face of all faces. Alright guys, I need to make a quick stop at UPS. I know this is starting to become a common occurrence for us, me stopping at UPS in all of these videos. Have I gotten over that jittery fear you get on camera? No, I don't think you ever get over that jittery fear. I think it gets easier, but I don't think you ever get over it. And that nervousness you get in your stomach, that jittery feeling you get every time you hit the record button, you start stuttering and stammering for words. You gotta do multiple takes just to get one sentence to sound fluid. It gets easier, but it takes a while. It takes time. But I'm sure if I can get over my fear of being on camera, you can too. It takes time and practice. Go slow. Get in front of the camera and hit that record button. Practice. Take your time and practice. Look into the camera and talk to it like you were talking to a friend. Go slow. Take your time. Yeah, you're gonna have multiple takes over and over again, but you know what? Eventually you'll start getting used to it. And you'll be surprised how easily it comes. But you have to keep trying and you have to keep practicing. It took me a while. I'm still getting used to it. So you don't even have to post your first video. You can sit there and practice all you want, hit record, hit delete, hit record, hit delete, until you feel like, you know what, I feel like posting this to the world. And if you don't, you don't. But you know what, we all gotta start somewhere. So the sooner you start, the better. I tell you what, start now. There is no time like the present. The best time to start was yesterday. So start practicing. You'll be pleasantly surprised. You might even like it. Alright guys, if you made it this far into the video, as always, I appreciate you. Remember, keep your sticky side down, shiny side up. Keep your eyes on the fiddle. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Ooh, love this bag. I can see me on one of these. I don't fit too bad on it. Let's get it.